YouTube channel. Today we got exciting news because we got the Isabela from Encanto, which is the Isabela Garden Room playset.
And we're gonna open it right now.
Let's try to open it. First, let's open the top.
Yep. Let's open it.
Whoa.
Next.
Ooh. Isabela. This one includes so it comes with the chair. It comes with the little makeup table.
And also it comes with the hanger that comes right here. And also we got a little tiny brush. And also Isabela can walk right here to her door. And there's
like that.
flowers right here that can pop. And also she has stairs. So
She got her
can go
bed
up
up here so she can sleep there.
right here. And also it can swing. And also she can go down here. And also she could
She can
make
put her
flowers.
thing there.
And also she could hang up her stuff right here.
Even this part can switch up.
Also she got a little tiny brush.
And this is Isabela.
And she could sit down in her chair. And she could do her hair like this. So she can right here. And also she could brush her hair. And she can keep on brushing her hair. And also, she can look at the mirror, or she could go upstairs and she can go to her bed and sleep.
And that's it. So make sure to subscribe and like to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to
Check A Kids Adventures Instagram.
see you next time. Bye.